Hey everyone, Mike Burke here with InsideRealEstatePhotography.com, and I just wanted to make this quick video about a high quality sky replacement collection that I've created specifically for us real estate photographers. So as we all know, sky replacements are an important part of our workflow as real estate photographers. We can't control the weather, and if we only went out to shoot on perfect days, then we go broke. Even on nice days, sky replacements come in handy, helping enhance our photos by making the sky just look that much better. So my point is, being how important sky replacements are to us as real estate photographers, it's definitely beneficial for us to have a high quality bank of skies to pull from, to use in our images, so that we can achieve the best final result possible. Nowadays, with the new sky replacement tool inside Photoshop 2021 and software like Luminar, you can literally swap out skies in your image in almost a click of a button. I made videos on how to do sky replacements in both those pieces of software, and I'll link to those videos up on the screen during this video. By default, these programs come with some preloaded skies, which are not bad, but there's not a lot to choose from, and sometimes it can be difficult finding the right sky for your particular image. Also, you don't want to be using the same few skies for all of your photos. That's why it's a good idea to expand your bank of skies so that you have more options and you could always find the right sky for your image. So that brings us to the sky replacement collection I've created specifically with real estate photographers in mind. Throughout this entire year, I've been shooting skies every opportunity I got in order to build this collection. This pack contains 20 high quality sky images, which are the best of the bunch of all the sky images I shot this entire year, and I'm very excited to finally be able to share it with all of you. I'm charging just $20 for this sky replacement pack, which is only $1 per sky photo, for you to be able to download via the link in the description and use forever for your own real estate photography, and I think that's a very good value. Now let me tell you a little bit more about this sky collection. As some of you out there who regularly watch my videos probably already know, I mainly shoot with the Sony a7S III camera, which is only 12 megapixels. I realize many of you out there may want some more resolution than that, so for this particular project, I shot all the images with my Sony a7 III, which is 24 megapixels, so there's plenty of resolution there, so there's nothing to worry about in that department. All of these images are 6,000 by 4,000 pixels at 300 dpi, which is plenty of resolution for this application. None of these photos were cropped in on from a photo taken for another purpose. All of these photos were taken specifically for the purpose of sky replacements, so the entire frame was filled with sky in order to capture the highest resolution photos possible using the a7 III. Let's talk about file formats. I've included both JPEG and DNG versions of each photo inside the pack. For most of our uses, the JPEG version will serve just fine. The DNG files are there for maximum flexibility though, in case you wanted to do any editing or tweaking of the sky image yourself for one reason or another. I did, however, tweak and optimize each of these images myself prior to releasing this pack, so they should be good to go. Alright guys, so I just want to do a quick demonstration on how to import and use these skies in both Luminar and Photoshop. I know it's pretty straightforward, but I just wanted to do this anyway, just in case. So first thing you do after you download the folder, you just want to stick it in a folder where it can live on your hard drive. So I'm just going to put it in my documents folder, and there it will stay. All right, so now I'm just first going to go to Luminar. This is Luminar 4. Luminar AI is the new version, basically the same kind of thing. So I want to go over to the Creative tab, and then you have AI Sky Replacement. That's the sky replacement tool. And here's where you select your skies. So you can load a custom sky image individually by going that route, or if you go to Show Custom Skies, this custom folder will pop up, and if you now go to your Documents folder and go to the folder, Sky Replacement folder, if you select all these skies that you downloaded and just Option or click and to copy, or however you copy, and drag them into this custom folder. Now if you go here, all these custom skies will be in your library, so now you can choose whichever one you want, and that's nice and convenient. So that's Luminar 4, and now let's hop over to Photoshop and I'll show you how it works in there. So to get to the sky replacement tool, you just go to Edit, down to Sky Replacement, and the sky replacement tool will pop up. And here's where you select your different skies. These are the preloaded skies in Photoshop, so we want to add our own, so we just go to this plus icon, and if we go down our Documents folder, wherever you put your folder, you'll find the sky replacement folder. And I'm just going to go and select all these skies, shift click and select all these, and I'm going to hit open. That will now import them into the sky replacement tool here. Now to keep this organized, if you want to, you can create a folder and just call it Imported Skies, or something like that. And now you can select all these skies and drag them into this folder. So now, you know, you have the preloaded skies, and then these are your own skies. And again, you just click and it will insert, you know, one of these skies into your image. Pretty simple, straightforward. And you know, you have these controls here, which is nice. I a lot of times turn off the foreground lighting sometimes. If you do like some of it, but maybe it's too much, you can always create a layer mask here. And you know, with black as your foreground color and your brush tool and your low flow, you can kind of paint in and blend some of this foreground lighting out if you wanted to. See, it's just brightening up the trees a little bit. So however you want to do that, but yeah, there's a great level of control here. And so that's basically it, guys. That's how you import and use these skies for sky replacements. All right, guys, as I said earlier, having a high quality bank of skies to pull from is arguably an essential part of your arsenal as a real estate photographer. I think these are a great value, and I hope you do as well. I hope you find them useful for your own business. If you are interested in purchasing and downloading them, again, you'll find the link down in the description below. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I really appreciate your support. Thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you again on the next one.